Good morning, lovelies. How are you all today? Hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe. We have completed lesson number 14 yesterday. Today we have to start a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Means of Communication. Do you know what is the meaning of communication? Let's find out what is communication. Sending and receiving of messages is called communication. Every day we talk to a number of people. We talk to our friends, relatives, and even to strangers sometimes. When we speak or listen, read or write to someone, we are communicating with the person. We share our thoughts and feelings through communication. We use different methods to communicate with others. These methods of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. Did you know early men communicated with sign language? The world, it is said, has become a very small place nowadays. You know why? Just because of these communication devices. No place is far enough. We can now talk and connect to our friends and relatives anytime, from any place, on mobile phones, emails, etc. But long time ago, it was not like that. In ancient times, people sent messages through drum beats. They used to beat drums to pass their messages. They used to take help from pigeons or messengers or smoke. Gradually, people learnt languages and began to write. Writing soon became an important form of communication. People started writing letters to their far away family members, friends, etc. Did you know Emperor Sher Shah Suri started an efficient postal service in his empire? Let's learn more about communication. The cheapest and most popular method of communication is by post. People use inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelopes to send messages to others. They post their letters in the letterbox. Letters are then collected by the postman and sorted at the post office. They are then sent to their destinations by land, air, or sea routes. On reaching, letters are again collected and sorted at the post office. Finally, the postman delivers the letters to the people. Today, people send parcels also. We need to paste the postage stamp on the envelope. Also, the PIN code has to be mentioned along with the address on the envelope. Did you know the PIN code is a series of 6 digits used to number the post offices in the country? Now, you have to find out the PIN code of your city. Next type of communication is electronic communication. The telephone is the fastest means of communication. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Today, mobile phones have become very popular and communication has become very fast and easy. We can send messages through SMS. What is the full form of SMS? Short Message Service. We can send and receive messages, pictures, and photographs immediately using the fax machine. We can communicate with people anywhere in the world with the help of internet. It is a network that links computers all over the world with the help of telephone lines and satellites. We also keep in touch with others using a special website called social network. We can send emails also through it. The next type of media is mass media. Can you name any 2 social networks? All the means of communication discussed above are for personal or individual use. But when we have to communicate to a larger group, we need a different type of communication. And this type of communication is known as mass communication. Radio was the first means of mass communication. At one time, radio programmers and news were widely popular. You must have heard our Prime Minister giving a speech and connecting with people through the radio through the program Man Ki Baat. With invention of the television, we can get the latest news and information very fast. What is mass media? The means of spreading information to a large number of people in a very short time is known as mass media. Satellites are artificial bodies sent into space. They move around the earth. They are used for communicating and for providing information. And you all are well aware of internet. It connects computers across the world. That's all in today's class. I will see you on Monday. Till then, have a nice weekend. Bye bye.